Good morning, children. 7th standard. In this class, I am going to give you the answers for term 3. That is unit 1, term 3. The new religious ideas and movements. For that, I am going to give you the answers. Take out your classwork as well as your books. First one, Roman letter 1. Choose the correct answer. I'll read out the question. Who of the following composed songs on Krishna putting himself in the place of Mother Yashoda? The correct answer, Periyalvar. The answer is C. C. Periyalvar. Second one, who preached the Advaita philosophy? The answer is D. Adi Shankara. Third one, answer is C. Ramananda. Fourth answer is A. Moinuddin Chishti. And the fifth one, C. Guru Nanak. Next, fill in the blanks. Roman letter 2. Fill in the blanks. First one, Vishnu Chittar. Second one, Guru Granth Sahib. Third one, Ravidas. Fourth one, Ramanuja. And fifth one, Kartarpur. Then Roman letter 3. Match the following. I'll write the left hand side questions then. Pahal. Second one, Ram Charitra Manas. Third one, Sri Vaishnavism. Fourth one, Grandhavali. Fifth one, Suravardi. And first one, Guru Gobind Singh. Second one, Tulsidas. Third one, Sikhs. I returned the question. Write the answers then. First one, Pakul Kabir. Second one, okay, ma. The answers which they are given is wrong one. So I'll give you the match afterwards. Okay. Roman letter 4. Third one, match the following, I give you later. Okay, children? And Roman letter 4, find out the right pairs. Andal, Srivaliputtur, Gurudwaras, Sikhs. First one. Second answer, C. A is correct but R is wrong. Then third one, Andal. Next, true or false? Roman letter 5. First one. Sufism was responsible for the spread of Islamic culture. False. Second one is true. Third one is true. Fourth one, true. And the fifth one is also true. Then give short answer. That is Roman letter 6. First one, what do you know about Tirumurai? You don't have the direct answer. I'll write the answer notes now. What do you know about Tirumurai? Answer. It is a basic Tamil Saivat sacred canon. It is the basic Tamil Saivat sacred canon. Second one, it consists of 12 books. Second point, this is first point. Second point, it consists of 12 books. 11 of them were assembled by Nambi. And 11 of them were assembled by Nambi. And third point, the 12th book is Sekida's Periya Puranam. The 12th book is Sekida's Periya Puranam. Okay. Then second answer. How many alvas and aymas? It is in page number 107. Take page number 107. Here children, here you have in the picture now, below that there are how many Nayanmars were there and who were prominent among them. Here it is in page number 107. In the picture you have, there are 63 legendary Nayanmars, among them Jnana Sambandar, Appar and Sundarar, often called the trio, are worshipped as saints through their images in South Indian temples. 2 lines. Okay children. Then third one, answer It is in page number 110. 110. You just take page number 110. The question is, how did Guru Nanak help to found Sikhism? Page number 110. The last paragraph you have. Guru Nanak nominated his disciple Lena to succeed him as the Guru. Following this precedent, the successors are named by the incumbent Sikh Guru. Understand? This is the answer. And fourth short answer. It is in page number. I'll read out the question. What did Tukaram do with the Vithoba temple at Pantampur? That I have to give notes, children. I'll write the notes. Understand? Afterwards I'll give you. That is notes then. Fourth one, Tukaram. Notes, that is. And fifth one, answer. Highlight the spiritual ideas of Kabir. That is in page number 109. Take page number 109. Here, as the Muslim, Kabir came under from that till Islam. Understand? Reconcile Hinduism and Islam. Again, Kabir believed that God is one and formless. From this till religion, on the basis of religion, caste and wealth. Till this you have to write. Okay, this is the fifth short answer. Okay, children. And fourth short answer and the detailed answer, match the following. I'll give you in the next class. Can you able to follow? Here I gave you, choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Roman letter 2. Roman letter 3, match the following. Afterwards I will give you. Then Roman letter 4, find out. I gave you the answers. And Roman letter 5, true or false. And Roman letter 6, nalla gavani. First one answer, notes eldi potirukka miss. Second one answer, page number 107. Third one, page number 110. Fourth one, notes. I'll give you later. Detail answer kudukumbodhu adukku notes kudukren. Match the following. Fourth short answer and detail answer. Adu mono in the next class I'll give you. And the fifth answer, it is in page number 9. Can you able to follow? Okay, children. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.